Welcome. Today we are going to learn a beautiful and meaningful Hindi poem. Aisa Vardo means give such a blessings, written by Trilok Singh. This poem is a prayer to God, but it's a very special. The poet is not asking for the toys, cell phone, or money or fames. Instead, he is asking for a good values like a courage, truthfulness, kindness, and the strength to help others. He wants to become a person who is brave, honest, helpful, and always ready to do the right things for others. He prays for the power to speak truth, face difficulties bravely, and live a life full of love and service to others. This poem teaches that true blessings are not material things like a mobile phone, TV, fridge, car, bike, etc., but the good qualities we have in our hearts. These values help us become better human beings and make the world a brighter place. So let's read the poem together and see what kind of life the poet wants to live. It may be we will also feel inspired to live that ways. So let's start the poem. Welcome. Lesson 1, grade 4. Aisa Vardo. Var means moon. आपने कौन से प्रार्थना गीत सुने हैं? What prayer songs have you heard? सुने means listen, hear. What are the prayer songs you listen? अपने बारे में अच्छे बातें बताओ. Tell me about your positive part. हम दूसरों का भला कैसे कर सकते हैं? How can we do good to others? भला means good, goodness. प्रार्थना हमें सही मार्ग से ले जाती है. Prayer leads us on the correct path. सही means correct, मार्ग means a path. हमारे भीतर सद्गुणों का विकास करती है. It develops good qualities within us. भीतर, within, inside, inner. सबके मंगल कामना हेतु यह प्रार्थना की गई है. It's provide that everyone's goodness, Mangal Kamnas, Mangal Kamnas, blessings to others. Mangal Kamnas. Kam means work. Kam means work. Kamna means wishes. Kamna means wishes. So Mangal Kamna means well-being. So let's come to the poems. Jagpati हमको ऐसा वर्दोस. Jagpati means Lord, God. Oh God, you give me such a blessings, such a blessing, boons. जग के सारे सद्गुण वर्दोस. जग के सारे सद्गुण वर्दोस. Fill us with all the good qualities of the world. Good behaviors, virtue or morality. Virtue or morality. हम फूलों जैसे मुस्काएंगे. So if we get this such a blessings, then we will smile like a flowers, and we will set a love to everyone's. We set a love to everyone's. हम बगीत कर खुशी मनाएंगे. We will do the welfare to others and celebrate the happiness. We celebrate our happiness by do the welfare, good things to others. ऐसे भाव हृदय में भर दो. Such things you feel in our heart. So now come to the book exercise of this lesson. First read the meanings. Jagpati means Ishwar, God. Sadgun, good behavior, moralities. Sugandh means fragrance. Prem, love. Parkit, welfare of others, those whom ke balai. Dam, अंधकार, darkness. ज्योतिर्मय, luminous, प्रकाशवान, प्रेरणा, grateful. गम, दुख, sorrows, सन्मार्ग, moral path, right path. Next, Trilok, Sadgun, just I will say, good behaviors, मुस्काएं, smile. प्रेम, लव, हृदय, हार्ट, ज्योतिर्मय, prideful, mark a path, सन्मार्ग, good path, moralities, moral path. Next one, question answer. कभी कौन सा वर मांग रहे हैं? What boon is the poet asking for? Sorry, there is no place. So I am moving to the new page. कभी कौन सा वर मांग रखे गए? What boon is the poet ask for? Asking for. मांगना, begging, request, asking for. कभी जग के सारे अच्छे गुणों से भरने का वर मांग रखे गए. The poet is asking to be filled with all the good qualities of the world. Next questions. खुशी किस प्रकार मनाई जाएगी? मनाना, celebrate. How will happiness be celebrated? खुशी, happiness. खुशी बगैर दूसरों की भलाई पर मनाई जाएगी. The happiness will be celebrated for the welfare of others. परहित किस प्रकार is a question words. Instead of किस प्रकार you write either परहित और दूसरों की भलाई पर. Match it. Next match it. सुगंध, सुगंध, खुशबू और महक, fragrance. राग, path, राग, path, mark. सुगंध, fragrance. राग, path, जगह, world, जगह, world, इसे संस्कार, संसार. फूल, flower, और सुमन और पुष्प. तम, darkness, अंधकार, अंधेरा. वर्ण विचल, separate the letters. सद्गुण, स, a letter, a matras. The, id, matras. G, a matra. So, tu matra. Na, a matras. So, a letters.